Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your old drying out polishes to create this dry brush technique. I was recently sent some polishes from Nails Inc., but one of the bottles had a casualty in the box on the way. It had started to dry out because the bottle was broken and the polish had gone all over the box, but I love neon polishes and I really loved this color, and so I wanted to use this polish at least one time in a nail art design before it completely dried out, so that's what I'm going to do today. Anyways, let's get on to the video. First, I'm going to apply a base coat and then 2 coats of whiteout from Nails Inc. I love this white polish and I think it's great on its own or as a base for nail art. Once the white base is dry, I'm going to use the polish brush of the polish that has started to dry out and make small, light strokes onto the nail. So today I'm going to do my dry brush technique in a diagonal pattern, but you can always do it vertically or horizontally or both. If you accidentally get too much polish onto your nail, you can always go back in using the same technique with a white polish. Once I'm happy with my dry brush, I'm going to add a matte top coat. On my middle and ring fingers, I'm going to be adding some studs. These are some 3mm gold square studs, and I'm going to pick it up using a wax pencil. Before the matte top coat dries completely, I'm going to be adding these studs in a line down the center of my nail. If the matte coat has dried, just add another coat and then add your studs. If you want the studs to last a little bit longer, you can also add a little bit of nail glue under the studs. And if you don't have a wax pencil, you can always just use a toothpick or a bobby pin dipped in a little bit of top coat. And that's it! So this is a really easy way to use some of your old drying out polishes, and I hope you enjoyed it! As always, if you enjoyed watching this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. And if you missed my last video, I swatched 33 different Nails Inc. polishes, so if you want to see that, you can click your screen or the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, see you next time!